Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Aishwarya. Today's video is so exciting, I can't wait to go into it because we are going to be tie-dyeing. I've been wanting to do this for such a long time. I've been seeing this so much on YouTube and I was like, why am I not doing it? Why am I not spicing up my old t-shirts? So this video is going to be really exciting and I hope this works out. And if this works out, I'm going to be unstoppable. I'm going to be doing this to all of my t-shirts. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you like this video, I'm sure you like all videos of mine, so don't forget to subscribe. Also ring the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. So yeah, let's get started with the video. This project, what you need is some old or new t-shirts that you want to tie-dye. Make sure you use darker, bolder colors like pink, black, blue, red. Do not use lighter colors like this because that won't bleach. Make sure you use darker colors. Also make sure that the fabric is cotton. Other fabrics don't do well with the whole tie-dye bleach thing. The next thing that you need is the most important thing, that is bleach. I'm using Rin Ala. You can literally find this everywhere. I'm going to be using 2 bottles of this. Then you'll be needing garbage bags because you don't want to spoil the floor where you're doing it. Then you'll be needing rubber bands to tie it up. You can't see. Then you'll be needing rubber bands to tie the whole scrunchy thing up, and you'll be needing rubber gloves. That's all that you'll be needing for this project and I cannot wait. So let's get started. There are a lot of methods to tie-dyeing your t-shirt. I'm going to go with the scrunch method. So what I'm doing is I'm scrunching, gathering and getting the whole t-shirt into one place. Tie-dyes can never look similar. You can do the exact same thing and it'll still look different, but at the end you'll get a really nice result. So that's the best part. And once I've gathered the whole t-shirt, I'm going to secure it with rubber bands. Tie it really nicely and tightly so that there are no loose ends. And we are done with the first t-shirt. So the second one that I've chosen is a sweatshirt. For this one, I'm going to first do the middle part of the sweatshirt separately and do the sleeves of the t-shirt separately. So I'm going to be scrunching the middle part of the sweatshirt and tying that and securing it in one place. So this way the sleeves turn out much better. Now moving on to the sleeves, I'm just going to roll them really tightly and tie them separately, both of the sleeves. You don't have to be very precise or very professional with this whole method. You can just chill out and do it and it's still going to look amazing. Tightly roll them and tie them separately and your sweatshirt will be good to go. For the red t-shirt, I'm going to be doing the very traditional spiral tie-dye method. In this, you want to spiral your t-shirt, twist your t-shirt from whichever side you want. I'm going to be doing it from the middle. You can do it from whichever side you want. And once you're done twisting the whole t-shirt, you will secure the t-shirt with the rubber bands just as you did with the previous ones. For the black t-shirt, I'm going to do the scrunch method. It's also called the cloud method. You get these tie-dye prints looking like clouds and I love this method a lot. Now for bleaching your t-shirts, you're going to be using your garbage bags and wear your gloves while using the bleach because you don't want to spoil your hands. As I told you, I'll be using Rin Ala. Also, you want to completely coat the whole t-shirt with the bleach. You want to make sure not to lose any spots because then the tie-dye print won't come out well. Nicely soak your t-shirt and keep it aside. For the second one, I'm going to be doing the same thing. Just cover it up, completely soak it with bleach. As you can see here, the black one is already turning color. That's when you know it's working. Now I wanted the t-shirts to be more of white based and less color, so I used a lot of bleach. I wanted to use more bleach. Actually, I wanted to reduce the color furthermore. But if you want it to be more vibrant and have a lot more color, use less bleach so that the spots are bigger. Like the colored spots, they are bigger and the white spots are more smaller. I wanted it the other way, so I used a lot of bleach. So to tie-dye 4 t-shirts, I used 2 small Rin Alas. I would have used more. Actually, I wanted more, but I ran out of it. literally sweating. It's so hot, but I'm so excited. It's already done. I've done it as you guys saw before. I'm gonna leave it now for good 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna first wash off the whole bleach and then put it for a wash and then show you guys. I can already see it changing color, so I'm so excited. Oh my god, can you get so excited for something that's so, like, I don't know, I'm just so excited. I'm repeating myself, it's so hot. I'm gonna go in and then after 5 hours I'm gonna show you. Let me just give you a sneak peek of how amazingly it's changing color. The colors are fading and it's turning light with time. So now I'm gonna go in and just chill, and then I'm gonna meet you guys after 5 hours, which is gonna be just now for you guys. Okay guys, it's been like more than 3.5 hours, and I think I'm happy with the color, so I'm gonna wash it because I don't want all the color to go off. I'll just show you how it looks. That is how it's looking, so I'm gonna wash it because I don't want like all the color to like come off. So let's go. We are now going to go and wash the whole bleach out of the tops, shirts. I am so excited. It's unreal and it's looking so good. I think it's turned out amazing. Let's go. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to first remove the rubber bands completely off and wash the t-shirts really well because obviously they have a lot of bleach in them, and wash it until the water runs colorless. Then you want to wash all the 4 t-shirts nicely in the washing machine, let it dry, iron it, and then I'm going to show it to you. As you can see, they are drying so beautifully. Hi guys, it's the next day and oh my god, I have the t-shirts with me and they turned out so good. I am wearing one right now. If you guys can see, this was the black one. I'll show you all of them properly, but just look how amazing this turned out. I'm going to show you my favorite one, which is the pink one, because it looks right out of a store. It doesn't look like I've done it at home, and it looks so good. Oh my god, are you ready? Like, are you ready? My god, look at the sleeves. Look how beautifully it's tie-dyed. That is the back side. This is my absolute favorite. I can't believe I did this at home. This was the blue one, and that is how it turned out. Right? I'm literally gonna wear all of this so much now. The next one is the red one, which also looks so beautiful. Just look at that. Beautiful, right? I know. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So beautiful. I love it so much. This is the black one, which turned into a really beautiful yellow and black sort of a thing. So this is how the black one turned out. Like a really pretty yellow and black print going on. This is the pink one, and this has to be my favorite. Like, I literally looks like I bought it from a store. This has to be my favorite. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. I really hope you guys try it out, and you tell me which one you like the best in the comments down below. If you try it, don't forget to tag me, follow me on my socials. I'm super active there. I've seen a lot of you following me on my socials recently, so hi. I am so happy. I'm so happy. Like, I'm literally so happy. I will not be able to stop doing this, but look how cute does that look. Like, wow. Anyway, I'm gonna catch you in my next video. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. I'm gonna catch you really soon in my next video. Until then, bye.